How do you use the explicit formula of a sequence? Meet Miss Merritt. She is trying to find the 54th number of a sequence. Miss Merritt wants to know how she can find the 54th number without having to add the common difference from number to number 54 times. Is there some type of formula that she could use that would make things easier? She could use the explicit formula. In order to use the explicit formula of sequences, Miss Merritt will need to know a couple of things. First, she will have to make sure that she is working with an arithmetic sequence. A sequence is arithmetic if the same number is added or subtracted to get to the next number in the sequence. Next, she will need to be able to find the common difference. The common difference is the number that is added or subtracted to get from one number to the next in the sequence. The common difference is called D in the formula. Miss Merritt will also need to know the first number in a sequence called a sub 1. The explicit formula is stated as a sub n equals a sub 1 plus d times n minus 1. N is the number in the sequence that we are looking for. A sub 1 is the first number. D is the common difference that is used to get from one number to the next. Like we stated before, Miss Merritt is trying to find the 54th number in this sequence. What is D? In this case, the common difference is positive 5. What is the first number in our sequence? A sub 1 is 51. If Miss Merritt is finding the 54th number in the sequence, n is 54. Now let's plug it all into the equation. When we plug in the values into the explicit formula, we get a sub 54 equals 50n plus 5 times 54 minus 1. After Miss Merritt simplifies the expression all that she gets a value of 316. Wasn't that way easier than counting up by the common difference 54 times? Explicit formula is lit. Now that Miss Merritt has the knowledge of how to work with the explicit formula, she will be able to find any number in an arithmetic sequence. Like Miss Merritt always says, mathematics is lit. I mean, it's really fire.